Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toadette. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and draw the shape of the face. Let's draw a curve across here. Then underneath, let's close off the face with a large U-shaped curve. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eyes with two long ovals. Now inside each eye at the top, let's draw a circle. And then let's color the bottom section of the eyes in black. Now above each eye, let's add 3 curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. And then a small curve on the ends. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start above at the top here and let's draw a curve. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and back into the side of the face. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a large circle. And then a curve down on the left side, and the same on the right. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on the bottom of the head and let's draw a small curve down on both sides. Then for the end, let's curve it down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in on both sides. And then a curved line down to close it off. Now let's add a border inside the vest. We'll start with the curve down. And then across at the bottom. Next, in between at the top, let's draw a curve for the top of the dress. Next, let's hop down under the vest and let's draw a curved line down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the dress. Next, inside the dress at the bottom, let's draw 2 curved lines. And that's it for the dress. Next, let's move up and draw the arms. From the tops of the shoulders, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Now let's add the hand at the end. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumb. Then let's curve it out and back in for the first finger. Then another curve above it for the next finger. And then one more curve up to close off the hand. And lastly, let's add one more finger coming out from the top with a small bump. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's hop down and draw the rest of the body. Let's hop underneath the dress and let's draw a curve across. Next, underneath, let's add the feet. From the bottom left, let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. Next, let's hop inside in the middle here and draw two curves. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the feet. Next, let's move up and draw the hair. Let's start on the left side of the face and let's draw a circular curve like this. And the same thing on the right. Now underneath, let's draw another one, but a little bit smaller. And then one more larger one at the end, but behind the hands. Next, inside this bottom section, let's draw a curve at the top. And then one more circle in the middle. And that's it for Toadette. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!